Here we are learning joining two tables in SQL.
Suppose we have a one table student, then we have another table, the name of another table, suppose we have the marks. So joining means we want to see the records of both the tables, students and marks. How can we do the joining? What are the steps? The first step is a common field name, common fields in both tables. Suppose we have the common field in both tables, then only we can do the joining. Joining means what is the meaning of joining? If you will say to combine records from two tables. You want to join the two tables records, so you can do by using common field. By using common field, like what is the common field you can take here? Suppose I have here common field which I have here. Suppose roll number in both the table. Example, roll number in both tables. Now practically we should have the tables, then only we can do this. So whenever we are talking about the student table, we will create a table, create table student, then we should have here roll number. Roll number you can take integer, then name. I'm taking only two field to explain you. Name, then char I can write here, char. Size I can take 45. So in this manner I can create a table. I need some records here. Insert into student values. Then we will write the roll number here, as you know, like 1. Then marks, name I want here like ABC. Now let me run this command here one by one. So first I'm opening the SQL right now. So when I will type here, 1 second, there is some error. Password was the 1. So I will type here the password 1. Now it's working. And I have to open the database first. I have made here the database school. So I will write use school, then semicolon. Now database is open and I have to create a table. Create table student. Maybe this table is already exist here. If you want, you can check it. By using DSC command, you can check it. DSC student. Yes, we have already table SID we have. So if you want to create your table, you can write the name is student 1. So I'm changing the name of the table, that will be student 1. Now the command I have to cross check one more bracket will be here. Now I can make this table. This table is created. We have to insert the record. It was the command to insert the record. So I will copy down here. So same like here, we want another table. Insert into student values, then this. Now the thing is here, the table name is here student 1, which I am taking. To insert into student values. Now record has been inserted. Again, I will use this command for roll number 2. Then we can write here, for example, PQ1. Then I will put enter. So now we have the 2 records. So again, in the same manner, we will create another table. How can we create another table? The same thing I can copy down. In marks table, what is the main thing you have to do? You will write create table marks. As I told you, we should have a common field. So roll number is required here. Now I can put here the marks. Like marks, I can take here integer, or you want plot, you can take plot also. Plot means decimal values. Now we can go with this command. Copy down it. Directly also you can type here. As you can see, is it visible, Anmol?
Yes, ma'am.
Anmol is okay, fine. Now you can see this table is created. You can check the table structure, DESC marks. If we don't have the table, we are unable to do the joining. As you can see, we have roll number, int, and marks. Now we have to insert the record. You will write here insert into, then you will write here the name of the table, marks. Insert into marks, then you will write your values. Same roll number you will type here, 1 roll number, and you can write the marks of that student, like 56. Now in the same manner, I can use the roll number 2. Suppose by mistake you have written 3 roll number and the marks you have written 78. Now why I want to do that? It means when we are using this, we have the two records. So we can use now select command. Select asterisk from table name. Student. Student 1. This is the name of the table which we are taking. Now you can see roll number and name is given on the screen. Now we take the marks table. After then we will do the joining command. Okay. Now we will start. So insert into marks is given here. Select asterisk from marks. You can check the record. Roll number 1 is matching. Roll number 2 is not matching. 2 is not available here, but don't worry, joining is possible. Joining means we can combine both the table and we can select the desired record. If you want to see the record from multiple tables, joining is required. So how can you do the joining? What will be the command? Now I will tell you. You will write here select. Whatever the field you want, you can write the name of the field here. If you want to see the roll number, you can write here the roll number. Otherwise, no need. But if you want to write the roll number, you have to tell the table name because roll number is available in both the tables. So you will write select student dot roll number. It means that you want to see the roll number of student table. Then you will write, suppose you want to see the name. So you will write your name and you want to see the marks. Whenever we have a common field, we have to use the table name, which is very important. From which table you want to see the roll number. Otherwise, there will be the error. So you will write select student dot roll number, comma name. Dot will help you to segregate whether you are using marks table or student table. Name and marks from one table like student. Here is a table name as you know, student 1. To select student 1 dot roll number, name, comma marks. Now from you have to write, as you know, we are taking two tables. In first table, we are using roll number and name, and marks is available in another table. That name is marks table. So what can you write? From, then table name. First you will write the parent table name, that is your student 1. This is the first table. Second table is the marks table. So it means from these two tables you can get the record. But after that you have to write the where. Where is a joining condition. Where means when roll number of both the table will be equal, then only it will show you the record. That is called the joining condition. Where student 1 dot roll number is equal to means it should be equal with the marks table. So you will write here marks dot roll number. This is a command which you have to type. Let me copy down it and I will copy here, then I will explain again. Let's see what I have written. Select student 1 dot roll number. It means it will take the student record from this table. The first table is your this. So student dot roll number means this roll number I'm talking. Now it will show these roll number, comma name, marks, name and marks, as you know, name from student 1 and marks from marks table. From student 1, comma marks. It means you have to write the multiple table name from where you want to access the record. Then you have to write the condition. Condition is very important here because we have to tell the common field name. That name is where student dot marks, where student 1 dot roll number equal to marks dot roll number. It means that both the table have the same roll number. It should be equal. Then only it can show the joining. Joining is available when only the roll number will be equal. So we have to write the condition. That is called joining. Now you are able to access both the records of tables. So what will come here? Roll number 1 will come, name will come, and marks of that roll number will come. You can see. Roll number 1 is matching in both the table. So roll number 1 is coming and name of roll number 1 is also coming. And the marks from another table it is coming. And suppose in the same command, if you are writing only roll number, don't write student 1 dot roll number. Now see what will happen. If you don't write the table name, just you will write select roll number. So see what will happen. It will give you error because column roll number in the field list is ambiguous. Ambiguous means duplicacy. In both the table, we have the same column name. So we have to segregate it by using the table name. First you will write the table name, then dot, then the common field name. So how can you rectify? And it's up to you whether you want to write marks dot roll number or student dot roll number. Suppose I'm writing marks dot roll number. That is also having a same result because we are writing the condition. See, select marks dot roll number I'm writing here. And earlier I was writing student one dot roll number. Now the output are same. This output and this output is same. Is there any confusion to anyone? Yes, class. Any confusion?
मैम इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि हम पेरेंट टेबल किसको बनाए जॉइनिंग में?
Yes, yes. There will be no problem. आप किसी को भी बना सकते हो. There will be no problem. Okay.